This is a very, very vulnerable share of how bad this coop is. I'll do the roosting box with a bag, and then I'll put everything, like another bag, just kind of down. Huh?
I'm doing this.
You hanging on? Oh!
Do we got 3?
One's for me, one's for Daddy, and one's for you.
So we are all going in there?
Well, we got to figure out how to keep the chickens from getting out, and then you can. Mommy's got to figure out how to cover up their run door. Oh, girls, it's muddy from there is my spider web thing. Okay. Okay, so today we are going to clean out the chicken coop. I had cataract surgery in both of my eyes, early onset cataracts, and I have not been able to get out here and clean this chicken coop at all because I couldn't, risk anything happening. What is it, Mav? He's yelling at me. I don't know. I realize it is August now, so I really don't have much of an excuse other than it's been too freaking hot, and I just didn't want to come out here. So this is a realistic view of a chicken coop. It's not aesthetic. It has spider webs. It is full of chicken poop. We've got to redo the shavings. We've got to redo everything. Their roosting boxes are probably full of poop. And so I'm not even going to pretend that it's going to look good in here. But by the time we get done today, it will be nice and fresh and clean. Right, buddy?
Yeah.
We have got to get masks on, gloves on, and we got to figure out how to block the girls in their chicken run because our automatic chicken coop door is on another coop that we don't use anymore, and we've never put it over here on this one. So their door is just open. So we've got to block them out so we can come in and out without risking them get out, because even though most of our dogs are trained on the chickens, we do have one who just will not be good. Who's the bad girl? Honeybee. Honeybee's the bad girl. She just will not leave our chickens alone, so we can't risk letting them run out. Safely get them in the run, and then we're going to get started on this nasty chicken coop. You guys think you're going to get some eggs, don't you? Lucky? Looking for some eggs? I think Lucky wants some eggs.
Yeah.
We'll be right back. We'll throw you some out.
I need another.
You can look under the bathroom sink in the barn. It's just a big old mud hole. The girls love these grubblies, and this is what we're going to do to lure them out. While you're throwing it to them, I'm going to go in and try and block it. So don't throw anything yet. Let's see. Probably.
Do I have to go backwards?
No, I think it's fine. I think I'm going to use this. It won't be heavy enough. Lucky. Lucky. Girls, get out. They are trying their best. Lucky. Well, I lost my helper temporarily. Nana's here. So we had to run over and see her. So I'm going to try to do this. These lids. I love having the big buckets of these, but these lids, you would think, would not be this hard. Oh my God. No. You back up. You're not getting any. I know you'll try. So, grubblies, You know with chickens. Come on, girls. I'll get you some eggs, look. You leave the girls alone. Let's see how many. All right, I'm going to say this again. This coop is disgusting. Don't judge me. Oh my gosh, that worked really good, actually. I hear one over there laying some eggs. Like to lay on the ground sometimes. Nope, go back up. This is going to be narrow enough. Nope. Maybe they won't try and squeeze it. Let me grab something else. Okay, maybe they won't go through that. Okay. This is a very, very vulnerable share of how bad this coop is. Poop boxes definitely need freshened. Spider webs, we've got to hit those. And you know what? I do. I don't know what it is about spider webs and chicken coops. I have my tool. I do hit it. But they come back like immediately. I don't understand it. This outside. So bad. So I think I'm going to start with spider webs first. And then we'll start on clearing out everything else because I cannot be in there with spider webs. Birdie, move. Woo! He's not moving. Oh, God. Stupid. All right. Stupid pig. That's exactly what I just said. We lost Bridger.
Yeah, I see that.
He saw Nana. I don't understand the spider webs. Really wish I had some. It's not like I didn't just hit these.
They're awful. They're worse this year, I think, than they ever have been.
Like, what kind of spiders live in here? Like, what kind of spiders live in here to create this kind of... I'm trying to hit the roof first. I don't know if there's a good way to do it.
I don't either.
It's bad. Oh, that looks like a live bee.
All right, I'm coming out.
That broom did pretty good. What, you left them laying out here? Why am I getting the blame? It doesn't take that much. I don't know why it's so hard for us to come out here and do it, but... I know. Just go out and dump it. Deep litter method. But we use the deep litter method, part because it is effective, part because it's just easier than cleaning it out every time you want to switch out shavings. And then when it's time to clean it out like it is, it's already composted and we can just spread it where it's needed around the farm. Good looking compost right there. I know those poop boxes are so hard to keep clean because they poop so much, but it helps keep the floor more poop free for sure. Are you wowing on how dry the floor is?
Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised. Come on.
You going in?
Look up, bud. Chicken poop coming at you.
Don't let it get in your eyes, okay?
There's really not that much in here.
No.
You get there.
You getting there?
Yeah, I like the chicken coop floor.
How are you getting this shoveled up? Yeah, I can't do that.
It's gonna be fast.
I'm definitely not coordinated enough. That's the truth of it.
You keep it all up. Keep it up.
I need to poop boxes will be next. They don't even look that bad. Boxes.
Put in there, bud.
What kind of bee is that? It looks black.
That'd be a dirt robber.
Well, they sting too.
No, they don't.
Yes, they do.
Anyway.
You go out. Oh, thank God.
Oh, yeah, that. You got. Over there. Don't do that.
Ew. Having less chickens is not as bad. Yeah. She looks like a brand new coop, Trav.
Well, newer.
We've kept chickens for at least 10 years.
Yeah.
This is the very best chicken feeder that we've ever had. It can hold over 50 pounds. Almost 100. We can almost get, we can,
75, 80 pounds.
yeah, like almost 2 bags. If you want to be able to go on vacation and make sure your chickens don't run out of food, this is the feeder you need, right, Trav?
One.
50 pounds, right? So honestly, we could definitely get at least another half bag, but they want to start with their roosting boxes. And normally I would do like a mix of this and some of the herbal bedding. I can't find that currently where we've moved everything else around in the barn. So we're just gonna do lime today. And we love and have a monthly subscription to the First Saturday Lime. I think we've had this for years. It's just the very best lime. There's one not open, and I think there's another open we can use. As you can see, this is exactly what contributes to the dustiness, but I'd rather help it cut down on flies and smell than worry about a little bit of dust. So, okay, there's that. I'm able.
Not sponsored too.
I have to say not sponsored. Why?
So everybody don't get mad.
Well, we're not sponsored. We just use them and love them.
By Saturday Lime.
By First Saturday Lime. When I'm being very vigilant out here, I'll keep this out here, and then you can just come and scoop the poop. Sometimes I just let it compost down like we did, and that works perfectly fine as well, but I do usually try to clean the poop out. And I am the chicken mama, so they're going to get refreshed up. It's going to be me that does it. Oh, nope. Moved the lime. She got through. She's like, I know, I heard that food. I don't think I'll need that much on the actual floor, so I'm going to make sure I got plenty in their poop box. I will also sprinkle some on the roost, because they do step in their own poop, so that just helps.
Yeah, chickens are pretty dumb.
They're dumb and they are nasty, but they make the best, very best eggs, and we just can't live without them. So we deal with the nasty, don't we? We don't need a whole lot. Huh? So I've read in years past, if you use lime, it affects your composting, but we've never had that issue with this. We always had the best compost. Between the cows and the donkeys and the chickens, not the pigs so much. But, all right, I'm gonna finish it off in here. I think that's enough on the ground, don't you? But yeah, works pretty good. Put a little bit in their nesting boxes. You can see the bottom of the aspen bedding. They've worn it. They picked it all out and pooped it up. They obviously really like this box over here. Why wouldn't they? Because it's the hardest one to get to. for the eggs. I can get Bridger normally in here. Look at that. Definitely need to switch those out. They love that box. Where's Daddy? You gonna help me spread this pine shaving?
How do you spread it? How do you spread it?
Well, Daddy's gonna dump it out and then we're gonna cook it around with our feet and our hands.
Cook it?
Kick it. Like move it around, spread it out.
I'm good at that.
We may only need one. I can't remember how many I use in here, honestly. You got a knife?
Probably need 2. No, I don't. I didn't put anything in the
Aw.
pockets when I came out.
Move out of the way, babe.
Probably need 2.
This chicken.
Doesn't it look so much cleaner and better?
Yeah. This is so stuffed.
Don't dust it off. Don't do it too much. Yeah, we probably, woo, right in the boots.
There it went.
In the boots. All right, Bridger, get to it. Help me out here.
Okay.
I'm gonna throw
Now we
some,
move that, we're probably going to close this door, aren't we?
yeah. You spread it back that way. I'm gonna put it in their nested box.
Let's see here. These miserable leaves they love so much.
Oh my gosh, what are you doing? I'm nervous when I hear things falling around my head and you're involved. Hmm? Yeah, I know. All right, nesting boxes are refreshed. Dad dumped pine shavings down in my boot.
Yeah.
All right, I think we need to open the other one, don't you?
Yeah, we do.
You gonna catch some chickens when we
Yeah.
open it up?
Yeah.
Bridger, could you just stand in front of the door and not let them get in? All right. Stand in front of it and block them. Don't let them in.
You like the hat? Do you have a hat?
Yeah,
Albert has a hat.
you do. Is that Hunter's hat you're wearing?
Yeah.
Did you find it in the floor?
Yeah. But why did he send this to our house?
I think he just forgot it.
But he
Okay, struggling.
You got it.
think he
Don't wad it and rip it as it is.
Well, this is working as well. Here we go.
Yep,
Here we
yep.
go. Got some.
They're going to love it. Honestly, they'll spread around a lot. Huh?
You're going to put it in your poop
No, it makes it too hard to scoop out.
box. Kick that pile right there underneath.
Everybody coming in?
They're so cute.
All right, I'm going to back. I'm going to close it. A few of them are staying out there. All right, chicken coop refreshed. I am nice and sweaty. I used to really try hard to make it so cute, and you know, you have a couple twins surprise you with the surprise of their sweet little presents.
Yeah.
Yeah, that goes on the back burner. So either way, they're taken care of. That chore I've been dreading so bad. Daddy's gonna spread the chicken compost that we just scooped out of the chicken coop. We try to add compost and fertilize as much as we can to get this growing out here, because it's all new dirt and it takes forever.
Don't forget to like and subscribe these videos. Give us a thumbs up.